Utilization of coastal sandy areas in agriculture. As a country with a group of islands, Indonesia has 17,508 islands with a 5.8 million square kilometer area of sea and 80,791 kilometer length of coast. Coastal sandy land is a marginal land with low productivity, characterized by the dominant material with more than 80% consisting of sand, so that the availability of water and nutrients are very low. Due to these conditions, only certain plants can grow, or that it requires technological inputs to improve the quality of the soil, which enables the land to grow crops. General constraints of such land for agriculture are coarse texture, low water storage and nutrition, low cation exchange capacity, high power and release of water and air, low organic matter content, very high speed of wind which contains salt particles, extremely high temperature of soil and air during the day, and erosion easily caused by wind.
Nama saya Sukarman, saya selaku Ketua Kelompok Tani Gisik Pranaji, Pedukuhan 2, Bugel, Panjatan, Kabupaten Kulon Progo. Komoditas yang ditanam di lahan pasir pantai Kulon Progo ini, terutama di Kelompok Tani Gisik Pranaji, bawang merah, cabai merah, melon, semangka, dan sayuran. Adapun luasnya, Kelompok Tani Gisik Pranaji ada sekitar 75 hektar. Kemudian kalau di tingkat Kulon Progo ada 750 hektar. Terdiri dari 3 komoditas utama yaitu cabai, melon, dan semangka.
Coastal sandy land has the prospect to be utilized for agriculture as more and more fertile lands are converted to non-agricultural functions, including housing and industries. Thus, one of the biggest problems of agriculture is to increase productivity along with the narrowing of fertile lands. The increasing demand of food production due to the increase of population also stimulates the cultivation of coastal sandy land to help meet the demand as well as to take the chance of profitable pursuit by making use of marginal land. The existence of marginal land in various regions in Indonesia lead to an idea of whether coastal sandy land is able to support food security for people living in the area and other regions. Coastal sandy land has the potential to be employed for horticultural cultivation. This practice of making use of coastal sandy land for horticultural cultivation has been done in the special region of Yogyakarta, more precisely in Bugel Village, Panjatan District, Kulon Progo Regency. Farmers in Bugel Village are examples of those who succeed in this profitable pursuit with chili as their main produce. It is interesting to note that their success story originated from a coincidence in the past.
Secara pertanian di lahan pasir pantai Kulon Progo. Pada tahun 1985 saya menemukan ada tanaman cabai tumbuh tanpa dirawat di lahan pasir pantai. Dulu lahan pantai itu merupakan lahan berupa gumuk pasir, padang pasir. Kemudian saya berpikiran bahwa lahan pantai ini ternyata bisa ditanami tanaman cabai. Seandainya tanaman cabai tersebut dikasih pupuk, dikasih air, pasti tumbuh dengan baik. Kemudian saya mencoba dengan luasan hanya 300 meter, berhasil dengan baik. Itu awal dari pertanian lahan pantai di Kulon Progo.
Local farmers use compost or organic fertilizer as a secret to their bountiful and successful harvest. A total of 10 tons of organic fertilizer from animal manure such as goats and chickens are spread on every acre of sand cultivation land in Bugel.
Cara budidaya di lahan pasir pantai itu pertama harus menggunakan pupuk dasar, pupuk kandang. Baik itu tanaman melon, semangka, cabai maupun sayuran yang lain. Kemudian setelah dikasih pupuk dasar berupa pupuk kandang, kemudian dirotari atau diolah, dicampur antara pupuk kandang dan mesin dengan traktor, baik traktor hand traktor maupun traktor roda 4. Itu sudah berjalan. Kemudian setelah itu baru pemasangan mulsa. Setelah pemasangan mulsa, kemudian pengocoran dan selanjutnya tanam.
Seeing a chili plant growing among other green grass, a farmer decided to try planting chili plants, and it resulted in a good harvest. Other farmers began to do the same thing, and now Bugel Village and areas along Kulon Progo coast has become a productive chili cultivation area. Bugel Village has also become one of the biggest chili suppliers in Indonesia. Apart from chili, Bugel farmers also occasionally cultivate other vegetables and fruits. Cultivating a variety of plants is intended as one of the strategies adopted by coastal farmers in Bugel in breaking the life cycle of pests.
Mengenai hama dan penyakit, selain kita menggunakan pestisida sebagai untuk pengendali hama dan penyakit, kita juga menggunakan lampu light trip yang aman dan ramah lingkungan, yaitu menarik hama-hama pada malam hari, kemudian terjebak di dalam lampu tersebut, sehingga kita tidak menggunakan pestisida, tetapi hamanya bisa dikendalikan.
Sandy coastal lands have a large potential to support the development of agribusiness. These lands possess several advantages such as flat and wide open spaces, rare flooding, plentiful sun rays, and shallow water tables. The utilization of coastal sandy land for agricultural purposes is an anthropogenic change. Complete knowledge on land and soil management plays a crucial role in making the best use of the said land. This change is made to enable the use of coastal sandy areas, which are categorized as critical land, to become a source of broad usability for the lives of local communities.
Pertanian di lahan pasir pantai itu banyak keunggulannya. Karena pertama, tanahnya itu masih sangat luas, masih bisa dikembangkan. Yang kedua, pengolahannya mudah. Yang ketiga, ditanami apa saja pun bisa. Yang keempat, setelah kita mencoba berkali-kali, produktifnya masih lebih unggul daripada yang di sawah ataupun di tanah liat. Sistem penyiraman di lahan pasir pantai yang kebanyakan masih menggunakan selang dengan sistem shower. Kemudian sekarang sudah berkembang dengan sistem drip ataupun dengan sistem sprinkle. Kalau yang menggunakan drip itu digunakan untuk tanaman melon, semangka maupun terong. Kemudian untuk tanaman cabai tetap masih menggunakan shower. Kemudian tanaman yang dimanfaatkan lebih ke daunnya itu misalnya kangkung, kemangi, bawang merah itu menggunakan sprinkle. Jadi ada anunya sendiri-sendiri, keunggulannya sendiri-sendiri.
The practice of cultivating coastal sandy areas for agricultural benefit in Bugel village has been proven effective in improving the local community's economy. Nevertheless, coastal sandy areas need several treatments to maintain the quality and productivity of the cultivation. Farmers need to improve the physical, biological, and chemical properties of the soil to enhance its fertility. Due to the land's characteristics of having very high speed of wind, which also contains salt particles from the sea, farmers need to provide wind barriers to reduce the wind speed as a method of protecting their crops.
Kekurangan pertanian di lahan pasir pantai ini adalah adanya kecepatan angin yang cukup kencang sehingga sering merusak tanaman. Kemudian penggunaan air yang cukup tinggi, jadi setiap harinya harus menyiram, itu yang kekurangannya.
The high temperature of soil and air requires farmers to prepare a non-permeable layer to prevent water from evaporating too quickly. Irrigation system for agriculture on coastal sandy land has been very distinctive. Besides relying on rainfall or rain-fed irrigation, it is also supplied from groundwater and surface water, accommodated by utilizing ponds and joint wells.
Kedalaman air di lahan pasir ini bervariasi antara 3 meter sampai 10 meter tergantung tinggi permukaan tanahnya. Kalau tanah agak cekung, kedalamannya hanya sekitar 3 meter. Kemudian kalau yang agak tinggi itu sampai 10 meter. Kemudian cara pengambilan airnya dengan sudah menggunakan pompa semuanya. Baik menggunakan pompa yang portable dengan pompa bensin maupun dengan listrik ataupun dengan jet pump yang menggunakan tenaga listrik. Harapan saya pertanian di lahan pantai ini bisa langgeng berjalan terus sampai kapanpun, tentunya didukung oleh ilmu dan teknologi. Harapan saya dari berbagai pihak, terutama dari perguruan tinggi, bisa mendampingi kami dalam hal budidaya di lahan pasir pantai ini. Dan kami mohon kepada pemerintah karena ini di lahan pasir ini membutuhkan infrastruktur yang membantu untuk transportasi.